Hey everyone, Duke Nougat 3D here with another review for you guys, and this one's going to be sort of quick because I'm going to be telling you guys how to install a VREU lever assembly on your Avon M53 mask. And there's really nothing to it, but there's just a few more little things I thought I'd discuss about the concept and how you can go about doing this. So, as you may already know, most M53 masks will come default without a VREU lever, and the VREU assembly here on the valve cassette assembly, or VCA, allows you to interchange the mask from normal APR mode, or negative pressure mode, to use as a standard gas mask when the VREU is set at a vertical position. However, when you rotate the VREU to a horizontal position, you now have positive pressure and can be used with a CCBA, SCBA, PAPR, etc. Well, probably not a CCBA, I'm probably talking over myself, but you get the idea. So, when you're using a voice projection unit or VPU assembly with the FM53 or M53 mask, being able to switch from negative pressure to positive pressure mode like this becomes a bit more difficult, especially in the heat of combat or any tactical situation where you can't be removing accessories while you're in full CBRN kit, and that is where a VREU lever assembly comes into play. Now, most modern, or the Avon's current line of FM54 masks come default with a VREU lever, and the FM53 these days will usually come with a VREU lever installed. However, some of you may be wanting to get an upgrade kit for your basic M53, and another point of noting, not really relating to anything important, but just sort of a historical footnote. From what I understand, the differences between the FM53 or the M53 and M53A1 kits is merely the presence of this VREU lever. So originally this was an M53 kit. I had it in a military configuration with the military technical manual on how to use the M53 chemical biological protective mask. And from what I understand, the addition of the VREU lever classifies this as the M53A1 for those of you that are curious. But if that's not correct, feel free to fill me in, because Avon is not really that good at distinguishing the difference between the two. They kind of leave it kind of open and vague on what an M53A1 is over an M53, but that's what I'm assuming at this current point, so feel free to correct me. So, it's literally as easy as you'd expect. You'd want to have the VREU set at a vertical position. I'll bring the VCA closer to the camera to where you can see it. And as you can see, there are two interlocking barbs on the ends there, and you would see two notches, or hopefully you can, there's two notches on the actual VREU assembly or lever assembly itself, if you can see that, and that would coincide with these two notches here on the VREU. And simply what you will do is you will align those notches with that center line, and you will carefully depress it. Just snaps right into place. Just kind of finagle it a little bit. Sometimes it takes a little bit of effort, but as you can see, it snaps in. And the advantage to having a VREU lever assembly on the mask is obviously when you're using a VPU, it does not interfere with the ability to change from negative pressure to positive pressure, because you have this little thumb knob right there that you can just flip while the VPU is installed, and I will probably demonstrate that because I'm currently waiting on a VPU in the mail, so you'll be able to see that fairly soon. So that's really all I have to say. Unfortunately, I can't really advise you on where to get a VREU lever. I know Avon is selling them as a pack of 5 for $50 if you use their order inquiry. I'm not really sure if they sell to private individuals. I'm currently trying to find that out for myself. I actually got this through a person who works for Avon, who was kind enough to send me this one and a spare, which is currently reserved for moulage, and we're going to be CAD modeling it. So hopefully in the future that we will be able to get a CAD model of these VREU levers out there, and you can all 3D print your own if you'd like, but I'll keep you guys updated on that when it happens. So that being said, there's not really too much else to say on these. Unfortunately, again, I don't really have a source on where to get these other than just trying to contact Avon yourself, but nevertheless, that's really all you need to do when you get a VREU lever, and the advantages to having one. So if you have any comments, questions, corrections, or concerns, drop them down in the comments below. I'm Duke Nougat 3D, and I will see you all later.